Okay, so Vaibhav, today I am going to ask you the questions related to your Abacus level 1. Okay, so what is the answer for 2 plus 4 plus 9 minus 8 plus 5?
12, sir.
Very good. Next question, 1 plus 3 minus 2 plus 9 plus 4.
15, sir.
Very good. Next question, 7 plus 5 minus 3 plus 2 plus 4.
15, sir.
Okay. Next question, 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 minus 3.
7, sir.
Okay. Next question, 8 plus 7 minus 5 plus 4 plus 2.
16, sir.
Okay, very good. Next question, 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 minus 2.
Minus 2, sir. 19.
Very good. Next question, 3 plus 7 minus 1 plus 2 plus 4.
15, sir.
Very good. Next question, 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 minus 9.
Minus 9, sir.
Yes.
3, sir.
Yes. And the last question, 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 minus 4.
10, sir.
Yes. Very good. Thank you. Keep it up.